Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Nende bwairire buyo mwachumulire chine chinsa isato asenende tocha kwemanya amangana maya asenchira yowekerano nkorukwa eri namora tochakamo nende tokoramo. Umunyakerogo ojubili asebunge ya North Mugirango imeye kaunti ya Nyamira Isaac Atebe nigasabira abamenyi banyamira besokia sobunge eri bachekoba kirori ase kwigurwa kwa bisi cha Jubilee chebunge iyo imeyo muchi wekerenyo litukuri aramisi eyega ukwana wetera sesimi n'Ensoko TV Atebe nigekerekio amochiri umurai wense William Ruto asogo konyo bugima ase asabira abakenya bamuchore Dr. Fred Matiang'i asekerogo kyoborai wense.
Ekero hamarigani yonsi haikiranire bosi obogochiko igorachio bisya Jubilee hatse ebunge ya North Mugirango asomo chiwekerenyo nigo munyakerogo webunge ya North Mugirango hase chama ya Jubilee omoske Isaac Atebe aesokire na gosaba abanyamira besokie ritukoria aramisi herio bachikoba birori boko igora habisieyu hase korengana nerereirenga nerera chikoba monjoreri hase kaunti ya Nyamira na boiga se bunge ya North Mugirango
asama liete gonkoro kunga Isaac Atebe uyole kuruensemu ya North Mugirango ubuli chukura chogo chumbe kuru North Mugirango ndore umunyakerogo we chama ya Jubilee North Mugirango iko nare kuirari bageri kurari abantu baito ba North Mugirango nga yitukulia aramis kare 16 umukinyoyo ntobe igali kerenyo kuira chobisi cha Jubilee che constituency ya North Mugirango na omunene uchukuigura abuga ku headquarters Nairobi ya Jubilee iko nare kulira bageri kwariga abantu baito bonse ba North Mugirango balibanchite ichama ya Jubilee anchite uyu mito Fred Okengu Matiang'i nende bakumubwa sia ose evidengere bia yo kubuli burai bubu presidency wa Kenya muchicho sa obonge abantu ntobe nimiga awao sinkwa na awao igori tukiri ngitiko bali nene
Atebe kagukwana asesi miritukoria rero n'Ensoko TV nigekerekia mochirio borai bomoske William Ruto asate birenga nigo borai bwa Ruto bwakongiri uchumi igenda sabire umugusina bwego mu Kenya nganire biya bakire chikura Dr. Fred Matiang'i haseganga yo koriyekero kyo borai bwensa so mwako 2027
igunari gusabanga inski ya Kenya muruchinga teri asagia wetera uchumi wetera amangana security eserekali yerororo ya saliriye bintebiyo amangana yikinyegetali amalyoga teyo muruchi bunegendrete ubu takamburu muruchi bunabogendrete muruchi bunachibese chitu chigo salibwa asebinto bitawenereti imirugo teyo usugutumeka chibesa ibonare go sabanga atogendrete kuruwanera ichame ya Jubilee kurwa na igoro naro usugu president wache yuminto Fred yara Rusie umusiko kurukunga Ruto uyo nyazire kusinyimire mu
umusike Isaac Atebe yo korete namba ibere hasobo chori wo mwaka weteto 2022 yekerekyo boigate biraso mwaka gochana achigotenekero kyo bunge wa North Mugirango
abaminto kuru North Mugirango na buri tichikura umwaka 2022 chibu chumbe mukanga chikura chingiya ngabo yo kabiri kamachiko swabunge umwaka uyu 2027 ugucha hende ntosoye chikura hende ninde ase ekinyanganyire wetera ase ubwancheni bwenu igonare kubasaba mombu atisie asu mwaka uyu ugucha igonkubuli wetere chama ya Jubilee iyo ntegete koba nganero tokubeka bosio ose constituency ya North Mugirango chama iyo echigo konya uyu mito Fred Okengo Matianyi kravere president
Ekerekia tebe hagenderere komochia gati ya biri bitarayikariwa no mujumba wa obisi asekeria sabirenganire biya abekwa bisi eri achiko ikirania magendero aho
isoye bunge mbakorere mirimo buneri yechipara chitu chakwamire mbaoselia mangana yechibasali chitali kurwe gubiya baroselie amangana yechistima chitayo osebinyore bingi bya North Mugirango mbaroselie chiskuru chitu chicheranire mayega ose county ya Nyamira na Kenya ngima tali bokoli biya bono iga baroselie amangana ya mache asinsemo awa chiskuru abana baitu basome.
Stephen Nyarikembonde, Ensoko TV, county ya Nyamira.
Umugavana we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo aseritu kulia rero nigasyoria bene mu ruberio bukubekera amache abamenyi be umuchio onyamira asomoroberio boigo oikeranwa no muteneneri o Lake Victoria South Development Agency Jacqueline Kemunto nigekerekyo babwatoka chipipe cha mache chimita chekerero ogati yebintu binde binge erikwene kyanga abange nkoikerwa bale na machayo boigo na gutanga obibi bwa macharia atari wakanerwa.
Omugavana we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo bakubatana no muteneri bwa mache asorogongo rwa South Nyanza muswa Jacqueline Kemunto igori tkoria rero basioria bene chipipe cha mache nabo yokwigora mu ruberi umugima bogocha kubekera amache ase municipality ya Nyamira yeraje kwira kilomita 45 nomo iri kwenekina abamenyi be county ya Nyamira ngonyora bare amacha yo
as a last mile connectivity a contracted on the ground ago cover 38 kilometers of pipeline. Already the contractor has done 23 kilometers atigareti 15 kilometers yakore the 38 kilometers tiriabwenerete gokora and ntorocha seta unibuna connections ya mache genderete out of the 38 ntobwate an additional 8 kilometers echibono chigo chigokoru ne utility ya Nyawasco abutware terachi mitechi batumie chi pipe echimoro chechire maega ya ino 70 rolls will cover 8 kilometers chi pipe echinchiri chigo connect from the main pipe to the consumer egere consumers banyare konyora machi
wana igamba bwata madeni a 14 million yestima ayakogera ayesumbwete gwakatore sabuna tora torenga kitogo bakonya egende ikerwo naribara anse buronge gasi yabo bakane icyomutinyi nande ujumoto tokobeka solarization icyomutinyi kirabe chinke igonto nyare we sustain ourselves
okwana sigi karolitko ria rero nigobereire nga gatie chinsemo ichonjokara inensemo ya Nyaramba kibirigo nabo igensemo ya Nyanza bakwa nacho chirachekoba chigokonyeka somoroberi oyo ase batebire nga nonye nigo baretire chimita chekerero ejira chikwenekina uboibi bwa mache mborigo chikobaroro
so nkobeka tore sola yera nyare gokonya ko reduce the cost of power na sole yo ebwenerete kobera intake ari samacha kururoche mate eyende berege gase treatment plant eyende tobeka as a booster tank eri kare kebirigo and that way when ekerto kobeka solar we will drastically reduce a cost ya electricity ye kogera twanya gotwara frequent amacha konya kobutoru kerengaki because estima tera koraki tera akanu so at the end of the day abantu baitomba nyare ko baba konyora amache all the time and again connections chi amache chigenderere chigenda igoro naende nko basababu naba abamenyi banyamira tunyare go identify because a problem enene tubwate igaiga Nyamira illegal connections chiri chigerete utility yete nyora chibese bune bwenete konyora
naende na mwaiwa Kogo faulu we utility era depende bintu bibere abantu bakane amache bakunywa eria kabere ekiagara kiro motienyi to gotumia nge 2 million gopamwa amaji nere imwe wa president atete support koya sorolize to reduce ebiri ya amaji into more than half. Baadaye ntokora solarization yangori tokora solarization nyansiongo iye inere njira yoka turamekie a company yetu are profit meaning yakane she expense chaye without county government gochaime
bagukwanekere kioni igobaire ng'a esiro yabikirwe no murai wense Moske William Ruto oyu obegete omoroberi obogosira amache ayu are kobekwa sentunda yende gento e county ya Nyamira na boigoboteneri obubwa amache asarongorwa Nyanza bwatotereria
baretera chimita 2000 but chintangani twa delivery 1000 chiche gokonya go connect abantu baito konyora amache because ekere president yarenge gaiga recently na promise the county ya Nyamira 450 million shillings of which twanyorire authority HBSHO 450 chiko genda solarization nabo igo last mile connectivity
yengati yesiro ya Nyarako bagekobekwa no mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira Moske Amos Nyaribo kwenekina amachengo ikirara bamenya na nemona se county ya Nyamira ekero asi oriri bene meroberie miya yo kwenekina e county ya Nyamira nkobere bosio ase okonyora amache amaya korwa asa magacha manene ye county ya Nyamira ngo reporter Nsoko TV Ritera Nyariki Steven Embonde
Chinga kyomoichano ogendete kwenekiwa ase kenyerokia aratandi ewodi ya Bugusero ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South magega y'ababebu gosagana amateye mu butuko bwa Ramisi ewiki ya eta na kwirera ogusira kwa Peter Mumanyi igetete korengana no murugi onyagusira Esther Mumanyi nigaereire buna ababebu abo nigo bagoserete obugima asoko basaba kibesa na goteba buna nigo babeire bakomana igoro yendemero nigo bono baganirie byombe byobotuki gokora botuki eryo banyore oboene boyo mwabo
amayanda nigagenda kubwata insase kinyorukia ratandike utoka mewodi ya Bugusero ibunge ya Kitutu Chache South county ya Kisii yamaiga ya mate ya mukomosirio mwanchuobo kubwatikana no gosaga no botukubo kera rero korengana ne amate yo nigekorero bwene bwabo maiga ya Peter Mumanyi getete goitwa sichinjara chobo tutukano korengana no murgyo nyagosira asereta Esther Mumanyi nigagotema nigabanta bo bachete na kogania chibesa kurwase bale
iya igeteri tukori arengeria Ramisi twasoire nyomba toka buna togochi twabera nyomba rende togaika chinsa cha saa 3 arabu togasaba mugaka agata saba ngatebyo mwana agasaba kero mwana asaba mwana akagenda saa kurara na mugakonera agasona into tukaenda kurara ekero yaika chinsa isanemo tukasitukia abantu bali nyomba batomuregete amaiso ne tochi na mioro bagototebina leta pesa mugaka kabateinga pesa hakuna
okwanekerekyo nigesta nyakabaga goteba nigabasagania bwo bashite baitubeta masiabo nechi mask asagoteba nigo bamusigeta maisae eryo kumutanga atanyara ko bagusaba bokonyi asabaire tomosa chowe kasense moye rumwende nyuma yabo kanaga siritubu mabwae sigakagire no komongenta
sema vile uleta pesa kama uleti pesa nitakuwa arafu akamana kogenda serumu eria timanyeti jinse muna soete kucha serumu eyo timanyeti arbono muna ndaire gari timanyeti nonya kero ndaire ga baka mambi akaika chinsa saa 8 chiaringe saa 8 agasoka bono kuchisuka mbanza bete chipini namba chesimu leta pesa ya simu leta pini namba ya simu nkaba esimie ngao namba yesimie ngao baganda chaso motuguru baganda ileta chibese leta pini namba onye tori koleta pini namba ngokura tori kaba namba andi akatebelete pini namba yao karuguje pini chionse biba kabaka vitambulisho biba kaira nga batete mumanyi one ngajali bakuri guchimali baguchikurangiri mumanyi guchikomanya kumbe akwete ayingo bagosoka bakachaka kukura nanjengo tayenga akina baita mumanyi one iga
korengana nesta boigo nigakwerra nigonyagosira abeire gagutwara ogutaiwanana ne ensemo ya mateyo asikiria no kubuna ensemo yendemero gentanda katebire kiranchikonya kabage gokonya asobotuki eri kumanya ningi kireto gwito kwa Peter
ogotiana ruku obore mombore bwasobo bwaise bwe umwando ikiagara tuli ensemo ya kioge no tuli kioge ensemo ya kioge kioge no agore to bore mubwaye bore kioge lakini bori bwaise ebore gochibo matara mbari ne kesi na bamura bamwabo igoro yo bore mubu agochikobogita naende bakora kibarusi ochikobogita naende barusi bone korokana na bwa kose tibagacha kotebanga muna naye rokora leta chibese ntuntura oni boremo lakini bagatemna no boremo muna leta chibese
obono no borobo chindi nigo esta nyakaboga kuboria serikali wesono nigati nabage byombe byoborendi kwene kinga nkonyora robwenda bwae erio amate ayigendria sai abogema bwabo tambe
ale kuboria serikali enkonye nyoro bumaine bwo mugakone inkige kogera gwetera amarimo no burimo no bwasobo abumo matarasa arwete korwa na buboko bokoreta mangana ntaite bumaine bwana bote burungi serikali monkonye aba chief na bagambi simba arati na gusabiro mona are konkona aba MCA bonsipi na abasabiro mona are konkona nche igonde gochaga igansemo yaraganga location bono nko basabande asogwanja kwaino monkonya timbu atikende
reporteria Ensoko TV koraigarata ndensemo yebunga kitutu cha South County ya Kisii Chepethwell Machin
abonchoreria kurensemo ya Nyamataro imeye county ya Kisii nigo baereira sarenene magega yababwatani ba Kena uchakia bene ugutaguro kwibibanda bire mbarabare na separe nene ya Kisii uyugis bagukwana nabonchoreria bo nigo baenekia buna abuno konye bakonyorengere yabo yakera lituko asibaganirwe abasibaganirwe gusira iryo kugenderera no bokoreri bwabo tambe
My name is Purity Nyaboke from Kisii County. Niko na biashara Nyamataro, nimekuwa na biashara ya mango. Huu ni mwaka wa pili naenda kumaliza. Nimekazana sana kama youth ambaye hana kazi but anajaribu kujipigania. Sasa leo askari wametukujia, wamebomoa mahali ambapo tumekuwa tukifanyia biashara. Wameharibu nguo, sikuweza hata kutoa masoda, vitu zimeharibika. Na feel uchungu sana moyoni. Nashangaa nitaanzia wapi kwa sababu niko na familia na sijui hii kazi imekuwa ikinipea chakula ya kila siku. Sasa hii sijui venye nitakuwa napata pesa ya kujimaintain kila siku. Mimi naomba kama hii ndio mambo inafanyika Kisii County, at least mnaambia watu kwanza, kwa sababu hakuna haja tunasupport serikali yetu na inatudhulumisha. Na feel vibaya sana na naomba Mungu aweze kunisaidia niweze overcome this moment.
Jina ni Davis Wafula, mimi ni mfanyabiashara hapa Nyamataro. So tulipata maaskari wamekuja bila notice. Juu tungepewa notice tujipange, vitu zetu zimeharibika za mali mingi. So wamebomoa na wameharibu vitu mingi. Sasa kama hii ndio serikali ya Kisii County yenye tunatarajia, sisi kama wakaazi wenye tunalipia ushuru hapa, tunakandamizwa hivi. Hatuoni kama tunaenda mahali. Kama ni siasa inachangia vitu zetu zinaharibiwa hivi, juu tunaona ni side moja imeharibiwa na side zingine ziko sawa, ziko kwa barabara.
What up surprisingly twabokire twigore biashara bit as usual, and all of a sudden twamana konyorenda basigari bagocha na ikatapila twateunga we are supposed to evacuate the premise immediately, whereby achukwa tumepatiwa the prior notice so that we can prepare torusinone windase chuduka. So walifika within 5 minutes basa kwenye building whereby that mali zetu zimeharibika, biashara zetu zimeharibika. Pono rende togo sabanga serikali karo yaikere nga they need to do something. Togo saba munyara ko bamoko to prior notice to ba prepared. Na rende noni into mi beto bitari go sareka and then nario ko amaskani ago saba. So wanyagetinga mwansi wakati moto kwate siesengani ega ya tonyorire na inturente nyako batokonyoro bane bwaito na se tora nyako batokorero bonsorere bwaito ase pare ya Nyamataro.
Ekero rigori iria amabuta rigenderete gose asare nene. Ekero abakenya ba mwachumuria tuchake oroboturu na sabiru kwabira rigori ria mabuta ekero rigenderete koba gesara abwase kiombe kia EPRA kirachie gwatora amagoria iyo litukuria rero nigaba onchoreria nabo igaba bwatani awa matatu imeyo mucho bosongo besokirie na kuburia serikali gokeya rigori ria mabuta eriyo bakonyeke asokwegenderia kwabo wakira lituko bagukwana n'Ensoko TV imeyo mucho bosongo nigo bono banyarire kuburia umuraibwense wesonania eriyo anyara koba gako kubakeria rigori iriyo bugima.
Ngote baiga tafadhali Ruto konye tate tikuyeria mafutanse ni one time arafu abana kwenda kiskuru ndobwa kiskuru vizito ko ira abana skuru kijakijigoja goja 3000 yatoke efi notakero wakane skuru yota bwati transport yoko iro mwana skuru kobesegi wajikonie mogondo kwa makoiro mwana skuru igabono iga asa mafuta unentu abanyane matatu amafuta bono iga okikobeko mwapirime aiwani sikwa bekiro mwapirime okomota ikibasa chikonda kisi nchinga na iga okote bimbwa temia
oboki mobotu abamenyiro boroba kongusana kiregento kine tamagori kiregento muntu mutaka nduru nyara kugura kende bono iga sitwaikeiri igontu tware busaba sanse ya maguta to iria maguta ekere na litora konyeka turanya kugura none sukari uchinyomba oboki mobwa kongiro bobe mono etomenya to bomo bututana lete otorete iro boki mobo kongu tutana lete binto bikongeta maguta akongeta na mbona kantu mandinga kucha commentary kuzini kigekaba
anjango amafuta utirimboki anja utirimboki amafuta sagure boki mabwato kongeire nono mugati to kunyara kugura none lindas to kunyara kuria bana mbali koragira mogi magio butokomenya aso wanja kwao etogo gosaba amafuta utirimboki sagure customer bona igeje atobere gasi ankongo kubeke customer galime ya so ko minongi na nduma itoroje akwa momonyere ko ruisiko na kiso igana igabo oika mali mana kokwana bali balenge mali wasibe baika
yakamira unaona ibara gira na chete na 200 manyana akanyora 200 kwanda kitekanyora 200 kio mtaka na 500 yo mwabaganete wana kio mbetu baganete 500 wane balance ye gali wa 700 ndiyo torije amgari kanyonga chiri gusatu ndi bana chete kanyo chiri gusatu tiga na misa twale wako okay one gari mu mafuta to parda tiga to ni matra bende to parda mafuta ba chiri ndei all right yama
Chinga kia Bakenya baganyete kuigwa rigori riya ria maguta kurase kiombe gikorenga magori ya maguta ne chinguru cy'umurero EPRA Mwaziri we wizara y'ekinguru cy'umuriro n'amaguta Opiyo Wandayi wesokirie na goteba amaguta nare waisaine imeyense asaboigo aruro kuboria ucyasaba Kenya gutawobwa asengana eria ng'amaguta na chikomenta umwaziri takwanireti okomenta kwa mafuta kolende nigo anyarako bagakuboria abakenya baganye eriyo banyarako bagotebigwa senchira y'obwikiranu na ndeti baba no bwoba
Ense ya Kenya nigebwate amaguta aisaine n'abakenya tibabwenereti koba nabwo babonde bwensi ayo namang'ana y'omuwaziri bw'amaguta n'ekinguru ky'omuriro imeyense Opiyo Wandayi.
In a market of this kind, world prices can move either way within a week, as you have seen. What we can state plainly as government is this: Kenya's fuel supply has held firm throughout. Under our government-to-government arrangements, cargoes have continued to be sourced from a wider set of loading regions beyond the Gulf. Every scheduled cargo has arrived and has been offloaded on time, and fuel has remained available at the pump throughout the country. And that means, therefore, that we have been able to achieve our foremost objective as a government, and that is to ensure steady and uninterrupted supply of petroleum products. Many Kenyans have understandably been following developments in the Middle East, particularly the renewed military escalation around the Strait of Hormuz. These have resulted in attacks on commercial vessels, reduced oil tanker traffic through the strait to its lowest level in approximately 2 months now, and heightened uncertainty across international energy markets. You know, we are basically now operating under a state of near normal.
Gukwana ase omucho Nairobi, Opiyo nigo atebire serikali yense nigegenderete kurigereria amagori y'amaguta ayobo igatebire anyoriro gwakwa kubwatekana n'ekisegi kikwenekiwa ase chinse cha Middle East.
Fuel remains readily available across the country, supported by adequate national stocks, a resilient and fully operational import and distribution system, and the continued success of the G2G fuel supply arrangement, which has strengthened Kenya's energy security while reducing pressure on foreign exchange demand. With the restart of the Middle East crisis, international benchmarks have now begun to climb again, and this renewed pressure will be reflected in the pricing cycles that will follow. This ministry will continue to work closely with the industry to keep supply consistent and uninterrupted, to defend the fixed terms of our government-to-government arrangement, and to keep Kenyans fully and openly informed as the picture continues to develop. And what I'm saying in short is that even as we guarantee the security of supply as government on account of the very robust G2G fuel importation arrangement, those factors out there that create a situation where prices continue to escalate, even though they are beyond our control as a country and as government, we are lucky that within the G2G framework, the freight and premium cost component remains fixed.
Nonya nabo oenekeirie abakenya buna wizare yo nigegenderete kubwaterana na ababwatani bande kwenekia buna amabuta atari kubura asebo igatebire eserikali yamentire omuroberio bugutarusigwa ebango ya VAT asa amaguta asegeka kemetienye 3 goika chitariki 14 chomotienyi oikomi mwaka wechiribubere 2025 noyomo.
As a government, we have invested significantly in building a more resilient petroleum sector that is better equipped to withstand external shocks. The systems, partnerships, and strategic interventions we have put in place over the past few years continue to provide confidence that Kenya can maintain a reliable and uninterrupted supply of fuel, even as global markets experience heightened volatility.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omucho Nairobi erietariane Linet Mwanchumuri.
ya kurengana no mwaziri Opiyo andaigotebia bakenya baganye rigori bene ria mabuta bono twanyere koba tokonyora rigori rinya ria mabuta asebone super petrol ase rigori ria retail rirabe aseliteye mochi mibere na chisiringi 14 boigo na se diesel iragorwe ase chimibere 20 ne chisiringi 2 boigo na amabutari yeta ya gusamanyika nga kerosene aranyara ko bagakorwa asekere lita emiyemo 90 enuguta 3 nemo asekere lita namaguria yaiga umwancho murigiriria nigo arachake asoboto kubwa rero chitariki 14 umutinyo ugatano na kabere goika chitariki 15 umutinyi ugatano na gatatu. Mwachumuriria gosuka mutunainde ase ripoti yende neringa ekiombe getenenerete obochori ne chimbebe kia IBC nigo kiaikirie gusigekeranirie emeroberio yoboikerano asobochori oboke obubura korekane ase bunge ya Olkarau eye gotoka se county ya Nyandarua aborituko ria Ramisi ekiombe keiga nigo batebiri ngoburendi bwatingi wasichinsemecho boigo asebasabire abakichukura ku ruchinsemecho wikase biteseni byo wakachikura elio koligereria gose amalietabo mbuyare orobotyo yo oruo oyorobwate ndibora mwenesi.
As you all know, elections in Olkalau will be held on the 16th of July.
Ekiombe getenenerete obochori ne chimbebe IBC kiaenekirie okwebanga ku obochori oboke bwebunge ya Olkalau county ya Nyandarua nyuma y'obochori obu bole chitariki 15 cy'omutinyi oyo kago kwanekere ekyo n'abarali omunyakerogo bwa IBC Rasta Sethekon nigaerera buna ebintu bigo chigotume kwa sobochori obu byabyekirwe amo n'abateneneri kwegwa maegerio.
The Commission therefore wishes to inform the nation that all preparations for the by-election scheduled for Thursday, the 16th of July 2026, to fill the position of Member of National Assembly for Olkalau constituency in Nyandarua County are progressing as scheduled. So far, several critical milestones have already been achieved, and these include the completion of procurement and delivery of election materials, both critical and non-critical, to Olkalau, gazettement of all the candidates that have been cleared to run for these elections for Member of Parliament in Olkalau, the setting up of polling stations and the tallying centers where the electors will cast their votes and be counted. We have also completed the servicing and testing and configuration of our technology. As you know, Electoral Commission of Kenya, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, uses technology for both voter identification and of course
Etekon nigaerera buna enamba yaba kichikura nigo yaenegetigwa se bituo byonsi byo gwakera chikura boigo niga banyoiria abananchi buna chi campaign nigo chiarete chitariki 13 chinsa 12 cy'amarogoba na boigo koruo gokurerwa buna onde bwensi oratoke kagendirete ne chi campaign nigo araimokerigwe getambokero.
As a commission, we continue working with our partners to offer voter education to the voters of Olkalau so that they understand how to exercise their rights. And we continue with stakeholder engagement up to tomorrow, where our team of commissioners will also be in Olkalau to meet with stakeholders, to meet with the candidates and their agents so that we agree on the final rules. The Commission reminds all stakeholders that the campaign has officially ended yesterday on Monday, 13th of July 2026 at 6 p.m. in line with the gazetted election timelines.
IEBC boigo nigo yaruro kobolia gochiasa abamenyi abo goikase ebituo chinsa chibwenerete bale amone kebande kiabo ase barachie komanyekana gotumeka chinchera chekerero chia KIMS batuguteira rogwaka chibicha lisakaralie kura iyo gwake kura gagotebe gekore ekyo nigo gekogenda mamincha nobo bisibwe chikura nokomocha ase obochori na onde bwensi oragende mamincha nigo arakumerwe egesibo gose ebaini.
And therefore, we request that any form of campaigning or engagement of voters after that time has ended is prohibited. And anybody engaged in further campaigns contrary to the laws is committing an electoral offense and is in breach of the Electoral Code of Conduct. And as a result, if we find anybody who is engaging in campaigns beyond the gazetted timeline, that person will face the consequences.
Kolibota ligetaseni gensoko elitalia nende bora mwenesi.
Moseneta we kaunti ya Nyamira Okongo Mugeni otebire serikali nebonerete kwimukira gitambukero baria bagokora boiti ribagari ogwakana baria basiretiwe n'abamwabo ukwana kurwa magacho yebunge ya Senate Omugeni nigo amuchire chiburaburu chianegetiwe asensemo ya Kembu kero ky'umukutano ogesiasa bwensemo ya Linda Mwananchi nigagikeire gekorekyo asatebire nigo baria babwateranire negekorekyo bataraimukirwa egetambukero kende gyonse nigo bona sabire wizara y'oburendi bwime wesonania na kuimukeria baria bagokora chiburaburu egetambukero keri chiko.
Madam Speaker, the constituency of Nyaribari Chache has been represented by prominent sons of Omogusi. We had Nyamweya, we had the late Omanga, we had Simeon Nyachai, we had Monda, there was Chris Bichage, then we had Richard Tongi, and now we have Zairi Jianda. And the people of Nyaribari Chache were magnanimous, gracious. They have elected Zairi Jianda. He's not from the Omogusi ethnic group, but they have extended grace to him and elected him as their member of parliament. And then you see reports, Madam Speaker, that the same MP is trying to meet violence against the sons and daughters of Omogusi. We are a very welcoming community, Madam Speaker. When Senator Sifuna and his friends visited Kisii, we welcomed them and we wanted them to come, talk to the people of Gusii, and then they leave without any violence, Madam Speaker. And that happened in several places, but when they reached Keumbu, Madam Speaker, they were attacked. And there is every indication, Madam Speaker, that the member of parliament for Nyaribari Church must have been involved in that attack. What is he trying to show the people of Gusii, Madam Speaker? I have seen UDA meetings in Nyamira. I've never thought of planning to go and attack any politician from the UDA political wing, because they have freedom to come and sell their policies to my people. My people know what they will do. They will listen to them, but they know what to do, Madam Speaker. As I speak, we have lost our life. A son of Omogusi died from that violence, Madam Speaker. How shameful can it be, Madam Speaker? How shameful can it be?
Mwancho murigereria mbiye munasoko yagereria wikomo eryo nenda buno tochiko butura chiriboti chobutuko bwa rero na kwa niaba y'abariki baito kura chinsemo chinsi imeye nseto ya Kenya na bali atwa bwaterana na barwase ensemo ya kabire eri etaria nemanya kanete nga eri na morambi ya mono na indikabe no butuko obotoereru.